Hey, how's it going? John from BransonCerakote and Laser. We're going to do a quick video today on our light armor oven. So we've had our light armor oven about a year now. We wanted to just kind of do an update on it. We bought the LA10K. It starts out around $3 grand, and we did quite a few of the upgrades just because we wanted to have as much versatility as we could. Went ahead and did the DIY wiring because we wanted to just go ahead and hardwire it. We went ahead and got the 6-foot oven versus the 5-foot oven, so that added about $500 to the base price. We did the $200 controller upgrade and the $400 fan install, and then we also did the $100 element upgrade so that they ramp up quicker and you can go to the higher temps, because we were going to do, and we do on occasion do powder coat in here. So, we wanted to have that ability to get up to temp a lot quicker and hold temp as you open the door and things. The outside dimensions on this are 72 by 56 by 64, so it's a pretty big oven. We've not had really anything that we couldn't get in here. It's overall just a really good solid oven. So we mentioned in past videos that we actually have 2 ovens. Our older oven's a little bit smaller, and we got it from a different company. We bought that actually before Light Armor started making ovens. We bought it from the Davenport, Iowa area from another company, and honestly, it has been just problem after problem after problem. It's not a very well-made oven. Had really subpar wiring in it. It's had to be rewired a couple times, and we've just had a lot of issues out of it. The Light Armor oven, on the other hand, minus a self-inflicted problem that we had, that Gordon from over at Light Armor just, no questions asked, just sent us a brand new oven. Even though the problem was our fault. Their customer service is awesome. We have not had any problems with this oven. We've been running this particular one, the replacement oven, for probably about 8 months, and it's just a beast. It does everything we absolutely ask it to do. One switch, you just flip the switch on. The PID is really intuitive on how you do it. It's got timers and things built in, but we don't really run anything when we're not here anyway, so we just mainly use the temperature control on it and go from there. Real good latch as opposed to the other oven. Really solidly built. This one is just well constructed, well insulated. It doesn't lose heat like the other oven, which once we got into it, it was really just kind of slapped together. The one thing that we did upgrade in here was we put additional rackage in the top because we hang everything with hooks. So it did allow us to, it does allow us to hang more than what came in it. For racking, we just got that angle steel from Lowe's or Home Depot that's got the holes in it, and sheet metal screwed it to the roof. And then the holes are actually down at a 90-degree angle, so they face you when you go to put hooks in. Something else we did is we took some more of that same type of material, the angle iron, and put it on the sides. And then we have unistrut that we actually use as like shelving, so we can slide that in and out, put those bars in there on that angle steel, and then put cookie sheets if we're baking on that, or additional hanging, because you can get 6 or so of those on each level and hang just hundreds of items. So overall, really good oven. The eyelets and things, the elements are shielded. The fan is shielded, so you don't have to worry about issues there. And just been really happy with it. If you want a good oven, they are located in Morrisonville, Illinois. You can pick it up or have it shipped to you. And their website is Light Armor, L-I-G-H-T, Armor, A-R-M-O-R.us. Reach out to them. Really good, solid people, and with great customer service and a great overall oven. So if you have any questions, just give us a call, shoot us an email, or leave us a comment down below. We'll be happy to answer that for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.